Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your posts private on Reddit. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Reddit application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Now once you have logged into your account, just tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then from your account page, tap on My Profile. Now from your profile page, you will be able to tap on the edit option, which looks like a pen at the top right corner. This will then take you into your edit profile menu. From this page, scroll down and you will be able to set content visibility. If you turn this on, then all of your contents will be visible to everyone. So if you want to hide all of your posts, make sure you turn this toggle off and then tap on the save button at the top right corner. And now your contents will be hidden from everyone on Reddit. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your posts private on Reddit application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.